Hello friends, now I'm again here to discuss about the median property and the height property of a triangle. So first I will tell you something about the height property, but before that again I am going to tell that never forget to subscribe and give your likes and views as much as you can. As much as you can. That will increase the morality of the channel, and the what you have seen in the video you can gain more and more knowledge, which will encourage me to give you the maximum output, and you can get more and more things from this channel. From this videos you go through the videos from the starting till the last, then only you can know and understand what I want to tell you, what I want to express myself for you. So always remember not to never to forget to subscribe it. Always remember to subscribe the channel. Subscribe the channel. As much subscription, that much powerful is the channel, and that much lesson I will be encouraged to teach you. Encourage me by subscribing, by viewing and giving your comments in the comment box. Then only I myself, Kuna, for Kuna's Horizon, can work more and more for you, and you can get the free knowledge for which I have in my storehouse. So now I am starting triangles. In the previous video I taught you about the triangles, the interior angle and the exterior angle. Now I am going to tell you about the median property and the height property. Median property. Median property. What do you mean by median? See here, this is a triangle. A, B and C. This is a triangle. From each median, from each vertex, we can draw one median to the opposite side. One median to the opposite side. One median to the opposite side. So A, B, C, X, Y and Z. These are the intersecting points of the lines passing from C and intersecting the line AB, Z. That is the, so remember AX, BY, and CZ, BY and CZ are the medians of the triangle. Are the medians of the triangle. AX, BY and CZ are the medians of the triangle. Remember, a median is drawn from the vertex, from one vertex to the opposite side. So AX is the first median from vertex A. AX is the median from vertex A. AX is the median from vertex A. X is the point on BC. X is the point on BC. X is the point on BC. Always remember, the median divides the baseline. The median divides the base into equally two parts. two parts. Two parts. That is equal to, that means BX is equal to CX. BX is equal to CX. BX is equal to CX. Median divides the baseline BC into equally two parts. Next one is, similarly we can say AY is equal to YC. AY is equal to YC. Similarly AZ is equal to BZ. AZ is equal to BZ. So always remember, median divides the base into equally two parts. So now what is this? This is the point O, and O is the meeting point of the three medians. So O is known as the centroid. O is known as the centroid. So always remember, centroid divides the median in the ratio 2:1. Centroid divides the median in the ratio 2:1. That means AO is to OX. AO is to OX is equal to 2:1. Similarly, BO is to OY is also 2:1. Similarly, OC is to OZ or CO is to OZ is equal to 2:1. Centroid divides the median in the ratio 2:1. Then we will now study about the height property of the triangles. Height property of the triangles. What are the height properties of the triangle? Height property of the triangle. Height property of the triangle. So what is the height property? See here, as in case of the medians, we can draw three heights from three vertex of a triangle. Three heights from three vertex of a triangle. A, B, and then C. A, B, then C. This is X, Y, and Z. Always remember, this is O. AX is one height, BY is another height, and CZ is the third height. Three heights can be drawn in a triangle. Three heights can be drawn in a triangle from the vertex, from each vertex to the opposite side. Always remember, but here it makes 90 degree on with the bases. The heights are always perpendicular to the bases. From the heights are always perpendicular to the bases. That means it makes an angle 90 degree with the bases, with the bases, 90 degree with the bases. That means AXC, angle AX, example, that is AXC is always equal to 90 degree, because perpendiculars make 90 degree with the bases. Perpendiculars make 90 degree with the bases. So see here, the O is the intersecting, O is the meeting point of the three heights. And is known as orthocenter. But remember, these are the height properties of the triangle. Previously I taught you the median property of the triangle. But these properties vary from triangle to triangle, because in the various types there are 6 types of triangles, and I will teach you in the next video about the types of the triangle, in which I will discuss about what is the difference between height and median in each of the triangle. In each of the triangle, the medians and heights, in some case the medians are equal, the heights are equal, and in some case the median and height, length of the median and height are both equal. But this one I will discuss and teach you in the next video, which I am going to release within 48 hours. So till then, go through these videos, try to learn, try to understand. If you have any doubts, ask me. Go to the description board for the questions which I am leaving you. If you can't find the answer, then ask me through the comment box. I will teach you. I will tell you. So go through the description box. In each case, I am leaving some questions in the description box. So all of you go through that. If you have understood this part in this video, then the question is related to each of the videos. Each videos contain its own question. So if you have understood, if you have viewed from the starting till last, then you can understand and give the answer the question. But then also, if you cannot answer the question, you are having doubts, then comment in the comment box or call me in the phone number 9237003243. I am ready to tell you about your doubts, and I will clear all your doubts definitely. So all of you remember, view the channel and like the channel. If you like the channel, then only you subscribe the channel. Your subscription will make the channel more powerful, more and more powerful, and it will encourage me to give you much more knowledge through the videos, through the videos. So always remember, go through the videos nicely, step by step. Then you can understand the thing, and I am definitely sure that you will gain knowledge and it will help you to do your exercises in your books. Do your exercises in your books, and if you have any doubts in your exercise books, then also copy paste the question and leave it in the comment box. I will discuss in the video so that you can get the answer. And very soon I am coming for the live classes. Those who want the times that will be given, you can come and I will discuss about some exercise problems of the ICSE and CBSE books. ICSE and CBSE books. If you haven't, and these videos are very much needed for the solving the problems, doing the problems, and for your more and more knowledge about the geometry, because geometry is a thing which you can secure marks. If your geometry is standard, if your geometry formulas are good enough, then only you can secure good marks in your exams in mathematics. Without geometry, you cannot secure more marks in the geometry, so in the maths. So for the clearance of the doubts, all of you remember, go through the videos nicely from the starting till the end. Then give your likes and comments in the comment box, and by tapping the like button. And at last I will again tell you, never forget to subscribe the channel. Your subscription will encourage me to give you more and more knowledge, and you can gain more and more about the topic which I am releasing in each video. Thank you.